Living paycheck to paycheck is a stressful reality for many. It's a constant cycle of waiting for the next paycheck just to cover bills and expenses. You work hard for your money, yet it feels like it disappears as quickly as it arrives. This cycle can create anxiety, limit your options, and make it difficult to achieve your financial goals. Whether it's unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or even just wanting to take a vacation, living without a financial cushion can be incredibly limiting. Imagine the freedom of knowing you have money set aside for emergencies and can still enjoy life's simple pleasures. The good news is that breaking free from this cycle is entirely possible. It all starts with taking control of your finances and making a plan. That plan is called a budget. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make conscious decisions with your money. It's about achieving your financial goals and building a more secure future. In this essay, we'll guide you through the steps to create a budget, track your spending, and start saving money. This essay will provide a beginner's guide to budgeting, breaking down the process into manageable steps. We'll start by showing you how to create a budget tailored to your income and expenses. Then, we'll delve into the importance of tracking your spending and provide practical tips on how to do it effectively. Finally, we'll explore smart strategies to save money without feeling deprived, helping you build a solid financial foundation. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, not a race. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Are you ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and take charge of your financial future? Let's get started. Building a budget starts with understanding your income. This means knowing exactly how much money you have coming in each month. Start by listing all your income sources. This could include your salary, wages from a part-time job, freelance income, or any other regular payments you receive. Once you have a list, write down the amount you receive from each source. If your income varies from month to month, calculate an average based on your earnings over the past few months. This will give you a realistic picture of your average monthly income. Knowing your total monthly income is crucial because it sets the foundation for your entire budget. It's the starting point from which you'll allocate money towards your expenses and savings goals. Section 2. Unmatching the money eater's expenses. Now that you have a clear picture of your income, it's time to tackle expenses. Start by listing all your monthly expenses. Include essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. Don't forget discretionary spending and occasional expenses. Categorize your expenses to see where your money goes. Identify areas where you might be overspending. Section 3. Budgeting Tools. Your financial sidekicks. You don't have to be a math whiz to manage your budget. There are plenty of tools to simplify the process. Budgeting apps offer a user-friendly way to track your finances. They connect to your bank accounts and categorize transactions. Popular apps include Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital. Spreadsheets are another great option. Use templates available online or pre-built spreadsheets with formulas. The envelope system is a visual method. Allocate cash to different spending categories. See how much is left to stay within budget. Section 1. The art of tracking. Why is crucial? Creating a budget is a great first step, but it's only half the battle. The real magic happens when you actively track your spending. Think of it like a detective gathering clues to understand your spending patterns. Without tracking, your budget is just a plan on paper. You might think you have a good grasp of where your money goes, but you might be surprised by those small, seemingly insignificant expenses that add up over time. Those daily coffees, impulse purchases, or subscription services you barely use can create leaks in your budget without you even realizing it. By diligently tracking your expenses, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back, and ensure you're staying on track with your budget goals. The good news is that tracking your spending doesn't have to be tedious or time consuming. Just like with budgeting, there are various methods you can choose from based on your preferences and lifestyle. Budgeting apps often come with built-in expense tracking features. You can link your bank accounts and credit cards, and the app will automatically categorize your transactions, making it easy to monitor your spending in real time. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, consider using a spreadsheet. Create columns for the date, category, and amount of each expense. You can also use formulas to calculate totals and track your progress against your budget. For a visual and tangible method, try the cash envelope system. Once you've allocated cash to different spending categories in separate envelopes, keep track of your spending by subtracting from each envelope as you go. No matter which method you choose, the key to successful expense tracking is consistency. Make it a habit to track your spending every day, or at least every other day. The longer you wait, the more likely you are to forget about smaller purchases or lose track of receipts. Set aside a specific time each day to review your transactions. This could be while you're having your morning coffee or before you go to bed. Integrate it into your daily routine to make it feel less like a chore. If you find yourself forgetting to track your spending, set reminders on your phone or use sticky notes as visual cues. Another helpful tip is to involve a friend or family member. Having an accountability partner can provide motivation and make the process more enjoyable. Share your progress with each other, celebrate milestones, and offer support when needed. Now that you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time for the exciting part, saving money. But before you start slashing expenses left and right, it's crucial to establish your financial goals. What are you saving for? Is it a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, early retirement, or perhaps paying off debt faster? Having clear goals in mind will not only motivate you to save, but also help you prioritize your spending. Once you know what you're working towards, you can allocate your money accordingly, making sure you're making progress towards your goals with every paycheck. Remember, your goals are personal to you, so don't compare them to others. Whether it's a short-term goal like buying a new phone or a long-term goal like investing for retirement. Every dollar saved brings you one step closer. Section 2. Snipping the spending strings. Identifying savings. Examine your expenses and identify areas to cut back. Make mindful choices without sacrificing happiness. Look for unnecessary expenses or overspending. Do you need all those streaming subscriptions? Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Find cheaper alternatives to your daily coffee. Small changes can make a big difference. Bringing lunch to work saves money. Negotiate bills to reduce expenses. Call service providers for better rates. One of the most important steps in breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle is building an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and protecting you from unexpected expenses that life throws your way. Imagine facing a sudden job loss, a medical emergency, or a car repair without an emergency fund. These unexpected events could easily derail your finances and put you back into the cycle of debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This may seem like a daunting task, but remember, every little bit helps. Start by setting aside a small amount each paycheck and gradually increase it as you become more comfortable with your budget. Consider opening a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step toward financial empowerment by understanding the fundamentals of budgeting, expense tracking, and saving. Remember, breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle isn't about overnight transformations or drastic lifestyle changes. It's about making conscious decisions, building sustainable habits, and taking control of your financial future one step at a time. The most important takeaway is to start taking action today. Don't wait for the perfect time or feel overwhelmed by the journey ahead. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant progress over time. Start by creating a simple budget based on your current income and expenses. Then choose a tracking method that resonates with you and commit to monitoring your spending regularly. As you become more aware of your financial habits, you can start identifying areas where you can save and allocate more money toward your goals. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Don't beat yourself up if you overspend one month or encounter unexpected setbacks along the way. What matters most is that you learn from your experiences, adjust your approach as needed, and keep moving forward. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Did you manage to stick to your budget for a whole month? Were you able to save more than you expected? Acknowledge and reward yourself for your efforts. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and make the journey more enjoyable. Remember, you're developing lifelong skills that will empower you to make sound financial decisions and achieve your dreams. As you embark on this exciting journey toward financial freedom, remember that you're not alone. Millions of people are working towards similar goals, and there's a supportive community ready to cheer you on. Share your budgeting journey with friends, family, or even on social media. You might inspire others to take control of their finances while also holding yourself accountable. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration on your path to financial success. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and support you need to make your financial dreams a reality. Like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your budgeting goals or any questions you might have. Together, let's break the paycheck to paycheck cycle and build a brighter financial future. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement helps us reach more people and make a bigger impact.